Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add an author column to your post in WordPress. In this tutorial, you'll learn a simple change you can make to your dashboard that makes managing multiple contributors much easier. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner to find the login option. Clicking on login will take you to a secure sign-in page. Here, select Continue with Google. This method is fast and secure as it uses your existing Google account. Choose the account you want to use and WordPress will log you in and take you to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to go to the section where you manage your posts. From your dashboard, locate Posts in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will display a list of all the posts published on your website, giving you a central place to manage your content. With your post list visible, look to the top right corner for screen options. Clicking on this panel reveals checkboxes that control which columns appear in your post list. Within these options, find the author column setting. Activating this feature will add a new column to your post list showing the name of the person who created each post. This is especially useful if your website has multiple contributors, as it makes identifying the author quick and easy. To enable the author column, check the corresponding box. After that, click the Apply button. This confirms your choice and refreshes the post list so the author column is now visible alongside your other post information. You'll immediately notice how this change improves the administrative view of your posts, making it much simpler to manage content and track contributions. And that's it. You've successfully added an author column to your WordPress posts. This small change can greatly improve clarity and efficiency in your dashboard as you continue to manage your website.